Hey, English learners. Welcome back to Learn English Every Day, the podcast where learning English feels real, fun, and totally stress-free.
That's right. No grammar nightmares here, just good vibes and great conversations. I'm Lily.
And I'm Ben. And before we jump in, can we just say, you guys are amazing.
Yes, seriously, your comments, your energy, your support, it all means so much.
Totally. We read every message, and it feels like this big, worldwide English family growing every day.
Oh, that's beautiful. So, if you're part of our family, and we know you are, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this episode.
Yeah, because learning together is always
Always better.
perfect sync. Okay, Lily, how are you feeling today?
Hmm. Pretty good, except I almost spilled coffee all over my laptop this morning.
Ugh, no way. That's every teacher's worst nightmare.
Right? I froze like, no! But hey, crisis avoided. Now I'm here, fully caffeinated and ready to talk English.
That's the spirit, because today's topic is a good one. We're talking about thinking in English while you speak.
Ooh, yes, this is a big one. Many learners say, I can understand English, but when I speak, my brain freezes.
Exactly. It's like your mind becomes Google Translate. Please wait. Loading English sentence.
Yes, or it gives you the wrong sentence completely. Been there, done that.
Same here. So in this episode, we'll show you how to train your brain to think directly in English. No translating, no freezing, just smooth speaking.
And don't worry, it's not about being perfect. It's about training your brain to feel English naturally.
Star 1, English in.
Okay, let's start with the first step. English in. That means filling your brain with as much English as possible every day.
Exactly. You can't think in English if your brain never hears English. It's like trying to bake a cake without ingredients.
I love that. So, your mission? Surround yourself with English. Watch your favorite shows, listen to podcasts, read short posts, anything.
Yeah, even if it's just 10 minutes a day, it doesn't have to be boring. Watch Friends or listen to us while cooking or walking.
That's how real learning happens. When you enjoy it. If you love it, your brain remembers it.
Totally. And you know what? When you hear phrases again and again, like, how's it going? Or, no way, you don't translate anymore. You just feel it.
Exactly. That's when English starts becoming automatic.
Tag part 2. Label your world.
I like how that sounds already. What does it mean?
It means grab some sticky notes and write English words on them. Mirror, door, phone, fridge, and stick them around your house.
Oh, so your brain starts connecting objects directly to English.
Yes, you stop asking, what's this in my language? Instead, your brain just says door, pen, coffee.
That's actually genius. And here's a bonus tip. When you see the object, say the word out loud. Mirror, door, laptop.
Exactly. That's visual plus audio input. Double power.
So simple, but so effective.
Comment part 3, English out.
Now it's time to flip the sponge.
Oh, I like that. Flip the sponge.
Yeah, all that English you've absorbed, now it's time to speak it, use it, live it.
You don't need a teacher or a partner to practice. You can start alone.
Exactly. One of the best methods? Talk to yourself in English.
I know it sounds weird, but it works. You can narrate your day. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making breakfast. I'm late again.
Oh yeah, that last one is me every morning. But seriously, this builds your inner English voice.
Yes. And once your inner voice speaks English, you stop translating. You just think in English.
That's the goal.
Star 4, shadowing.
Now let's talk about shadowing, one of my favorite techniques.
Mine too. So, what is shadowing? Simple. You listen to something in English and repeat it right after, like an echo.
Yes, copy the sound, the rhythm, even the emotion. I'm not afraid anymore.
That was dramatic, but perfect example. It trains your mouth and ears to move in sync, just like singing in English.
Exactly. Start with short clips, like 10 to 20 seconds. Repeat daily. It's like a workout for your speaking muscles.
1 minute a day can change your fluency. Seriously.
And don't worry if you mess up. That means you're learning.
Repeat part 5. Repeat and repeat.
Yes, repetition is how your brain says, okay, I'll keep this.
You can repeat small daily phrases like, I'm ready. Let's go. I can do this. Say them with a smile, with energy.
That's how confidence grows, little by little, day by day.
Fluency isn't a race. It's a rhythm, a daily rhythm. Wrap up.
Okay, so quick recap. Step 1, English in. Listen, watch, label, absorb.
Step 2, English out. Talk to yourself, shadow, repeat, use it every day.
And remember, progress doesn't come from perfection, it comes from practice.
Yes, even one small action today makes a difference.
So, here's your challenge, friends. Pick one tip from today's episode and do it.
Maybe label 5 objects, maybe shadow a short video, or just talk to yourself while cooking.
Whatever it is, do it today, because your English journey starts now.
Exactly. You're not just learning English, you're becoming an English speaker.
Ooh, I love that line.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, that's it for today's episode of Learn English Every Day.
Keep listening, keep learning, and most of all, keep thinking in English.
We'll see you next time.